Hey everyone. If Share My Location is not working on your iPhone 16 and you can't send your location to friends or family, as well as can't see your location in the Find My app, don't worry. I'll walk you through a few simple steps to fix it. Let's get started. Before presenting solutions, ensure your device is connected to a stable Wi-Fi or cellular network. Additionally, confirm that your device is not using a VPN service, as it can disrupt location sharing functionalities. Now let's start. Solution 1. Check if location services is enabled. First, we need to ensure that location services is turned on. Go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, then Location Services. Make sure the switch is activated. If it is off, tap to turn it back on. Solution 2. Check Share My Location settings. Now go back to Settings, then tap your Apple ID at the top. Next, tap Find My, then Share My Location. Make sure the switch is turned on. If it is off, tap to enable it. Now hard reset the device by pressing volume up, then volume down, then hold power until the device shuts off and the Apple logo shows up after this. Turn off sharing and re-enable it. I hope this should work for you. If not, then go with next to solutions. Solution 3. Make sure you are signed into iCloud. Share My Location only works if you are signed into iCloud. Go to Settings, tap your name at the top, then iCloud. Log in with your Apple ID and password if you are not signed in. If you forgot your password, follow my solution in this video description. Solution 4. Check app permissions. If you are trying to share your location in an app like Messages or Find My, the app needs permission to use your location. Go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, then Location Services. Find the app you are using, and make sure it is set to while using the app. Solution 5. Restart your iPhone. Sometimes, a simple restart fixes the problem. Press and hold the power and volume buttons, then slide to power off. Wait a few seconds, then turn your phone back on and try sharing your location again. Solution 6. Check for software updates. If Share My Location is still not working, there may be a bug in iOS. Go to Settings, then General, then Software Update. If an update is available, install it and check if the issue is fixed. Solution 7. Reset location and privacy settings. If nothing else has worked, try resetting your location settings. Go to Settings, tap on General, then scroll the screen to transfer or reset iPhone. Choose Reset, and finally tap on the Reset Location and Privacy. This will reset all location settings and might fix the issue. And that's it. Those are the best ways to fix Share My Location on your iPhone 16. If this helps, let me know and stay tuned for more iPhone tips. See you in the next one.